Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix event ID 6008 after unexpected system shutdown on Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of unexpected shutdown and event ID 6008, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here in the settings page from the left side, go to Windows Update. Here click on check for updates. If any update available, simply download and install it. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various such type of unexpected shutdown you have to face. So you must update your system with latest Windows update. The second one is right click on start button and choose settings again. And here from the left side, go to Windows Update and go to update history. If you have recently installed any updates and problem arises, then uninstall updates. Choose uninstall updates and go through one by one recently installed Windows update in your system. After problem arises, then simply select it and choose uninstall latest Windows updates. Follow on screen instruction to complete the uninstallation process of your Windows latest update in your system. And check whether your event ID error code 6008 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to again right click on start button and choose device manager. Here in device manager windows, under available device driver list, go to the devices list or disk drivers. Simply right click on it and choose a scan for automatically. Go to same process, go to disk drivers, expand it, right click on your disk driver, choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Update your external disk or disk driver in your system. Check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute the command as after blinking cursor, execute the command SFC/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. It will take some time. Beginning system scan, this process will take time, so wait till 100% verification complete. Once successfully completed, don't forget to restart your system. The next workaround to fix this issue is open control panel in your system and here scroll down and go to power options. Here from the left side, click on choose what the power button do. Thereafter choose change settings that are currently unavailable link. Click on this link and go to shutdown settings section and turn on fast startup recommended. Uncheck this feature. Disable fast startup in your system. Finally, click on save changes. Restart your system. Your problem regarding unexpected shutdown event ID 6008 definitely be resolved. That's all.